Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I want to share with you some more fidget toys that I've received from Great Little Rewards. The first fidget toy I have here is an infinity cube. This fidget toy is a cube that is made of 8 smaller cubes, and these cubes can be endlessly rotated from different directions. I also received these brightly coloured monkey noodles, and what's really cool about these is that you can stretch and pull them and they will bounce right back into shape. I also got these Fidget Tracks. This flexible fidget toy can be twisted and turned into lots of different shapes. Next I have these adorable mini squishies. They are super cute and soft, and you can squeeze, stretch and poke them and they always return to their original shape. The set also comes with 3 of these mesh and marble fidget toys. Rolling the marble back and forth is very satisfying, and because this fidget toy is silent, you can use it anywhere. The set also comes with 2 of these pea pod fidgets. The peas pop in and out as you squeeze them, and each of these has a keychain so you can attach them to your phone or bag as a cute accessory. The fidget set also includes 2 bubble poppers. This is like reusable bubble wrap and is really satisfying to pop. Next I have these pop tubes. These tubes can pop, stretch and connect together. The set also comes with 5 of these fidget rings. Sliding the ring up and down is very satisfying, and because of their small size you can take them anywhere and fidget with them again and again. Next I have this Fidget Pad. This is shaped like a game controller and it has several fun fidgets to play with. The set also includes a large simple Dimple. This bright and colourful fidget toy makes a satisfying popping sound when you push each bubble. I also got this Keychain fidget. This fidget toy is very addictive and it doesn't make much noise, so you can use it anywhere. The last fidget toy I have is this DNA ball. Inside the stress ball are smaller, colourful and squishable balls, and this fidget toy is really fun to stretch and squeeze. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's unboxing. Let me know in the comments which of these fidget toys is your favourite, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching guys, bye!